Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied example number 1, that was expand from practice set 5.3. Now in this video we are going to see second example of practice set 5.3, that is simplify. First example, 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube. We have to solve both the brackets simultaneously, means we have to simplify it, and we know the expansion formulas. Let's see expansion of this. Now here a plus b bracket cube and here a minus b bracket cube. First term plus second term bracket cube. Now for this first term cube, 2a bracket cube sign plus. Now when here is plus sign, then all terms are positive. When there is negative sign, then terms are alternate, plus minus for negative, but for positive all terms are positive. Now 2a bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by first term square of 2a multiplied by second term is b, plus again 3 multiplied by first term as it is multiplied by square of second term b square, plus cube of second term b cube. And now see, this is the expansion of first bracket. Now second, here is minus, here I write minus sign and I do square bracket here. Expansion of 2a minus b bracket cube. Now first term, same terms, only signs are alternate, plus minus. Same terms here, we will copy this as it is. 2a bracket cube, first term cube, sign minus 3 multiplied by first term square is 2a bracket square into second term as it is, sign plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is multiplied by square of second will be square, same, minus b cube, square bracket closed. Same terms, because terms are same here, 2a, b, therefore same, only signs are there different, is equal to. Now find out that their squares and all that. 2a bracket cube, square cube of 2, 8a cube, plus 3 multiplied by square of 2a, 4a square, multiplied by b, plus here 3 multiplied by 2a multiplied by b square, plus b cube as it is. Now here minus in bracket. Now same terms again, 8a cube minus 3 multiplied by 4a square multiplied by b, sign minus is given here, plus third 3 multiplied by 2a multiplied by b square minus b cube, bracket closed, is equal to. Now multiply if there are numbers, 8a cube as it is, plus, now here you see product of this we want, 4 3s are 12, a square b, here product 3 2s are 6, ab square plus b cube. Okay, now here minus sign is out of bracket and we want to remove bracket. If minus sign is out of the bracket and if we want to remove bracket, then signs of these terms will change. Now here plus minus 8a cube, here minus plus, sign will change. 3 4s are here 12 a square b, plus sign will change minus, plus minus 3 2s are 6 ab square minus b cube, sign will change plus, bracket is removed. After this step we will cancel like terms with opposite sign. Like terms with opposite sign. 8a cube minus 8a cube cancel. See, like terms with opposite sign. 12a square b, here minus is not there, therefore we cannot cancel 12a square b. We want opposite sign. 6ab square, here 6ab square, cancel. Opposite sign. They are like but with opposite, means plus minus. b cube but not opposite, that's why we cannot cancel. Over. Now those are left. Add them. 12a square b plus 12a square b, 12 plus 12, 24a square b. Okay. Now here this is there left. b cube plus b cube means 1b cube, 1 plus 1 2, 2b cube. Okay, these only are left now, and this is simplification, means expanded already. This is 24a square b plus 2b cube is its simplification. Example number 2. 3r minus 2k bracket cube plus 3r plus 2k bracket cube. Same as we solved first, it is same of that type. Now first expansion of 3r minus 2k bracket cube. First term 3r, first term cube, sign minus 3 multiplied by square of first 3r bracket square multiplied by second term 2k as it is, sign plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is, 3r multiplied by square of second 2k bracket square. Now here minus sign is there, that's why signs will alternate, plus minus plus, now minus square cube of second term 2k bracket cube. See, this is the expansion of first bracket, it is minus, that's why signs plus minus alternate. Here are same terms plus sign plus. Now here 3r plus 2k, same terms but sign is plus, that's why all terms will be as it is and sign plus for all, and no need to write a bracket. Copy all terms. 3r bracket cube, give sign plus for all, plus 3 multiplied by 3r bracket square multiplied by 2k plus 3 multiplied by 3r multiplied by 2k bracket square minus here plus 2k bracket cube. Now plus because here is plus. Remember that for negative plus minus, for positive all signs plus. Solve brackets now. 3r bracket cube of both, 3 cube 27, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, r cube minus 3 multiplied by square of this, square of 3r, 9r square multiplied by 2k plus 3 multiplied by 3r multiplied by square of 2k, 4k square minus cube of 2k, 8k cube plus same terms 27r cube plus 3 into 9r square multiplied by 2k, same terms we are writing, 3 into 3r into 4k square minus here plus 8k cube, all terms is equal to 27r cube as it is. Now here product, 9 threes are 27, 27 twos are 54 minus 54 r square k plus here also product, 3 threes are 9, 9 fours are 36 k square minus 8k cube. Now this same plus here I write 27r cube plus here also same product 54r square k, here plus 36k square plus 8k cube, all here all terms are plus, is equal to, and now like terms with opposite sign we have to cancel, like terms with opposite sign plus minus. Now here you see this will cancel, 54r square k, 54r plus minus. Here 8k cube minus 8k cube cancel, and here addition of them. Addition 27 plus 27, 54r cube, and here addition 36 plus 36, 72 plus 72k square, and this is the last answer in simplification of these two brackets. Example number 3, 4a minus 3 bracket cube minus 4a plus 3 bracket cube. Both terms are same. Here plus minus. Expansion now. First term cube, 4a bracket cube, sign minus, 3 multiplied by first term square, 2a bracket square multiplied by 3, sign plus, because it is minus, no? That's why alternate signs. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is, multiplied by second term square, 3 square, minus second term cube, 3 cube, minus, here minus sign, square bracket I mean. Same terms and plus for all, because it is plus, same terms. 4a bracket cube minus 3 multiplied by, I am copying as it is, 4a bracket square into 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4a. Now here you see plus sign, here also plus, all terms plus, into 3 bracket square plus 3 cube. All terms are positive, is equal to, now solve brackets, 4a bracket cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64a cube minus 3 multiplied by, here square of this, 16a square multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4a multiplied by square of 3, 9 minus cube of 3, 27. That is over. Now this minus bracket here, same terms again, 64a cube minus 3 multiplied by 16a square multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 4a. Now here all positive are here. Write signs very carefully. Plus, plus, all plus here. 4a into 9 plus 27, bracket close, is equal to 64a cube. Here product now. 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are 48 3s are 8 is 24, 2 carried over, 4 is 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 144, minus 144 a square, here also, plus 4 is 12, 12 9s are 108, minus 27 here. Now this bracket, minus in bracket 64a cube plus, same terms are there, 144a square plus, here also same, 108a is there, a is left, 108a plus 27, bracket close. Now after this step we have to remove bracket and minus sign is out of bracket. Here I continue, is equal to, first as it is, these all terms as it is, 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27. Now here we have to remove bracket by changing their signs. Minus 64a cube minus 144a square minus 108a minus 27. Now like terms with opposite sign will get cancelled. It's plus minus, like terms plus minus cancel. Here plus minus 108a cancel. And here same signs are there. These terms will not cancel. Same signs. If there are same signs, we have to add them and highlight sign minus. Addition is 288 a square Here also minus, higher value minus, 27 plus 27, 54. And this is the simplification of these two brackets. Example number 4. 5x minus 7y, 5x plus 7y, bracket cube, here plus, same terms. First term cube, 5x bracket cube, sign minus, 3 multiplied by first term square, 5x bracket square, multiplied by second term as it is, 7y. Now here is minus, that's why plus minus, alternate, plus minus, plus 3 multiplied by first term as it is, multiplied by second term square, 7y bracket square, sign minus, second term cube, 7y bracket cube, plus, same terms, and here is plus, that's why all positive, 5x bracket cube. I copy here as it is by giving plus sign for all. 3 multiplied by 5x bracket square into 7y plus 3 multiplied by 5x multiplied by 7y bracket square plus 7y bracket cube. See, we wrote as it is, all terms as it is, by giving plus sign because this is plus. And why did we write all terms same? Because same terms are in both brackets. Is equal to, now solve brackets. 5x bracket cube, 125x cube, minus 3 multiplied by square of 5x, 25x square into 7y, plus 3 multiplied by 5x multiplied by 49y square, minus 49, now cube here, cube of 7, 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are again, 7 9s are 63, 68 over 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6, 34, 343, 343y cube. Here also same, plus 125x cube plus 3 multiplied by 25x square into 7y plus 3 into 5x into 49y square plus 343y cube is equal to. Now these products here, 125x cube minus, now product here, 25 3s are 75, 75 7s are 75 into 7, 75 are 35, 3 carried over, 7 7s are 49, 52 here, 525 x square y plus, here this product, 5 is that 15, 15 into 49, 49 into 15, 9 5s are 45, 4 carried over, 5 4s are 20, 24, here 49, 5, 3, 7, 735, 735 xy square minus 343 y cube plus this term same, 125x cube. Now this product also same but sign plus, 525 x square y plus this also same, 735 xy square sign plus, here also 343 y cube is equal to. Now like terms with opposite sign we have to cancel, plus minus, this will cancel, plus minus, it will cancel, plus minus, and here addition, 125 plus 125, 250 x cube, here addition of these two, and here also addition of these two, plus 5 plus 5 0, 10, here 3 3 6 plus 1 7 and 14, xy square is here, xy square, and that is cancelled. This is the simplification of these two brackets.